Tired of a cluttered kitchen with a million different gadgets? What if one appliance could toast, bake, and give you the crispiest air-fried chicken you've ever had? In this video, we're counting down the top 6 air fryer toaster ovens for 2025 that are complete game changers. I've done the research, so you don't have to. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss our #1 pick. All the links are waiting for you in the description below.
All right, kicking off our list at number 6, we have the MI Multifunction Electric Oven. Now, hold on, because calling this just an air fryer toaster oven is a serious understatement. This thing is a complete kitchen workhorse. Its biggest standout feature is its insane versatility. Forget just air frying and baking, this machine also steams and stews. Imagine making perfectly steamed veggies, a slow-cooked chili, and crispy fries all with the same device. You're basically replacing 4 or 5 bulky appliances with one sleek machine. This is perfect for anyone looking to declutter their countertops or for those living in an apartment with limited kitchen space. It's built for a modern, busy lifestyle where one gadget needs to do it all. If you want a true all-in-one kitchen solution, this is a fantastic choice. Check the link below for more details.
Coming in at number 5 is the Intelligent Multifunction Air Fryer. If you love the taste of fried food but hate the gallons of oil and the guilt that comes with it, this is the one you've been waiting for. This machine is engineered to give you that perfect deep-fried crunch using superheated air, not oil. We're talking crispy chicken wings and golden French fries with a fraction of the fat. It's a total game changer for anyone trying to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. But the intelligent part is what makes it truly special. It's packed with automatic presets for all the popular foods. You just toss in your ingredients, tap a button for fries, steak, or even fish, and the machine sets the perfect time and temperature. It takes all the guesswork out of cooking. For making quick, easy, and healthy weeknight dinners, this is a brilliant choice. You can find the link to it down in the description.
Coming in at number 4, we have a bit of a specialist, the Beinilai Smart Toaster with LCD display. Now I know what you're thinking, this isn't an all-in-one oven, but we had to include it because it absolutely perfects the simple act of making toast. If you're tired of playing the guessing game and getting burnt bread, listen up. This toaster's main feature is its brilliant LCD screen with 6 specific bread settings. You can tell it whether you're toasting a bagel, an English muffin, or just a slice of white bread. Then you choose one of the 6 shade settings and it delivers consistent, perfect results every single time. No more burnt edges or under-toasted spots. This is for the person who values precision and wants their breakfast done right. It's a simple gadget, but its smart technology elevates a daily routine. Plus, the stainless steel design looks incredibly sleek on any kitchen counter. If you're serious about your toast, this is the upgrade you need. As always, the link is in the description below. Moving on to number 3, we have the 10-liter Smart Dual Air Fryer. Now, this is where things get really interesting for anyone who's cooking for more than one person. The absolute standout feature here is the dual basket design. Think about it. You can cook your main course and your side dish at the same time at completely different temperatures. Imagine air frying crispy salmon in one basket and roasting asparagus in the other. It's a game changer for getting a whole meal on the table quickly. On top of that, you're getting a massive 10-liter capacity, which is more than enough for a whole family or for meal prepping for the week. And one of my favorite practical features, the viewing windows. You can actually see your food getting golden and crispy without ever opening the baskets and letting the heat escape. This is the ultimate multitasker for busy families or anyone who loves efficiency. If you want to simplify your dinner routine, this is a must-see. Click the link in the description to check it out.
Our runner-up at number 2 is the Kyvol AF600 Smart Air Fryer. Ever been on your way home from work and wish dinner could just start cooking itself? Well, with this machine, it pretty much can. The Kyvol AF600 Superpower is its Wi-Fi and smart remote control. Using a simple app on your phone, you can preheat it, adjust the temperature, and start cooking from anywhere, whether you're on the couch or just pulling into the driveway. It even sends a notification to your phone the moment your food is ready. But it's not just a smart gadget, it's a seriously powerful air fryer. The 6-quart capacity is the perfect sweet spot for most families, easily fitting a whole chicken or a big batch of fries. Plus, its 360-degree quick heat system cooks food incredibly fast and evenly, guaranteeing that perfect golden brown crisp every single time. This is the ultimate choice for the tech-savvy cook who values convenience. If you want to bring your kitchen into the smart home era, this is the one for you. You know where to find the link. It's down in the description.
And finally, we've arrived at our #1 pick for the best air fryer toaster oven of 2025. Taking the top spot is the Konka Visual Air Fryer. We've seen some incredible machines today, but the Konka wins because it perfectly blends power, intelligence, and one absolutely killer design feature, the huge visual window. This is the ultimate game changer. You can watch your food transform and get perfectly golden brown in real time without ever opening the door. This means the cooking temperature stays locked in and consistent, giving you faster, crispier, and more even results every single time. No more guessing, no more interrupting the cooking cycle, just perfection. Beyond that stunning window, it's a true multifunction powerhouse. It bakes, roasts, and air fries with the precision of a high-end convection oven, but in a fraction of the time. It's smart, it's fully automatic, and its performance is simply unmatched. It is the total package. For its flawless combination of user-friendly design and raw power, the Konka Visual Air Fryer is our undisputed champion for 2025. To get the best of the best for your kitchen, check out the first link in the description below.
And there you have it, 6 incredible air fryer toaster ovens ready to revolutionize your kitchen in 2025. Ready to upgrade? All the links are waiting for you in the description below to check the latest prices. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Got a favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.